Hi, my name is Judy, Ireland, and my poem is called Scissors, Rock, Glass. There's a clawfoot bathtub in the attic in my dream, disconnected from any pipes, but full of the jet-fueled mix we made with fruit punch in Everclear in the 1970s at Mike Mace's apartment on the east side. But the attic's empty of people in the dream, and I'm half there but faded, my feet on the 3x6s, but there's not much to see above my shins and knees. I went to bed thinking for the 3,120th time, I'm going to completely change my life. Next week, I'll think it again, and maybe in that dream, I'll have an arm floating disconnected, or an eye embedded somewhere. There might be soapy water in the tub, a bar of ivory, the kind my mother favors, floating at one end, a thin blue washcloth hanging over the edge, stiff and dried. I have a dream now and then where I'm climbing backward down the attic stairs, but never one where I step into the liquid with however much of me is there. The attic in my dream always has a window and a weak beam of light that shines through the old warped glass. It's untrue what they say, that glass is a slow-moving liquid, its waves formed by time. The ripples and bullseye indentations in the glass pane were there from its creation. In the dream, I see the spots where light is warming the floorboards, joists, and rafters. Scissors, rock, glass. I play in the attic all night sometimes. Watch the tub fill and drain. The light never leaves the window.